We had a little quick cloud burst up here moving cows from pasture to pasture up on our range. And the wash filled up. Getting fuller and fuller. Might not be a good idea for me to stand right here, but I am. That thing hardly ever has any water in it. But it's a running. That'll run all the way down to our fields. We're by Penguich Lake in southern Utah. That's kind of cool. That's running. I've seen this whole valley dang near full though. It don't do that much anymore. It's running pretty good, getting more and more. It'd have been nice to catch it coming in earlier, but kind of hailed on us a little bit. Rained. Now we're getting a quick flasher. You can see the cows over there. I don't know how good you can see the cows. I'll see if I can zoom in on some of them. Cows are over there. We're moving them into this pasture. Cows are right there. Some of them. I don't know where my riders are, but if that same rain hit them, they're going to be wet. It's running pretty good now. Getting more and more. Yep, getting more and more. Like I say, I don't know how smart it is for me to be right here, but judging by the sagebrush, the water hasn't got terribly high for a while. It really flooded the other day. You can see the mark up on the side of the bank where it flooded. The other day, it washed everything out down Penguich way. Kind of give you a turnaround of where we're at. You can see the storm clouds kind of blew off. They blew in and blew out. You can hear the water rushing now. Kind of give you a little panoramic. The lake's just over the top of that hill right there. It's just over the top of that hill. So, it's getting bigger. Now the sun's shining on me. Well, I think I'll pause it for a minute and see what happens. You can hear it rolling the rocks down the creek. It's getting more and more. It's covered up the rocks. You can hear it rolling the rocks down the creek. It's kind of neat. That mud right there is pretty good mud to have run on your field. That's pretty good soil stuff. You can hear the rocks rolling down the creek. That's getting a lot of water in it. There was a rock right there you could see earlier, and the water's going over the top of it. Getting more and more. It's amazing how that water can just get more and more. We don't have waterways here. We have washes. We don't get enough rain to keep the grass growing and stuff to hold the soil. It just kind of takes off. There ain't much we can do about it. It's really getting big now. Now, the other one joined in right up there. This one joined in to match up. Now both of them are meeting right here. Where both of them meet, it's really bringing some water. See the sticks and mud and stuff floating down. It's really bringing water now. Both of them are flooding. It's gonna get really big right here. I might have to start hunting some higher ground. Wow, wow, wow. Woohoo! At least it's not orange. Sometimes it comes and it's orange. Well, I'm going to stop this right now and then I'll make another one if I feel like it gets real high.